Mom. Huh? This expired in 2017.
No.
Can I just see the expiration date?
Make a fucking grilled cheese with it. Stop it.
It's still good.
Mama, it's expired. That don't matter.
I'm throwing these away, Mom. You do not need these.
No, I need that. That's for... no.
First expired item.
Yeah, by how long?
It's from August.
1/31/25.
Yeah, but I haven't even opened it.
August 2018.
Get out of the refrigerator. No.
Right? Can't go wrong with chocolate. I didn't even know it fucking went bad. 2006, I was in fucking middle school.